Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today I would like to show you a project I have just finished. It's the making of this box, this giant box with a lot of things in it. And I saw the tutorial in two parts on the site of Vectoria Designs, and the tutorial is given by Alexandra, and I decided to give it a go and to follow her in her tutorial. And she used a design paper from Vectoria Designs, a herbal kit, and I chose for a kit that's called Wizardly, so a little bit different. And it didn't came out as well as hers because my chipboard wasn't as thick as it was supposed to be, but I went through with it, and I think it's quite lovely. Maybe not perfect, but I wanted to finish it. It's a present for someone very special, and tomorrow she is gonna get this present. So I'm making this video to share the result with you. As I said, it is a handmade box from chipboard with papers from Vectoria Design called Wizard, and it had all kind of metal ornaments on it. On this side I added magical, and the bottom I decided to keep it plain black. So that's how it looks like from the outside. It's really a huge project. You have to cut out all the pieces and cover them with black paper. You have to do that twice, and an inner piece, as I will show you in a minute. But yeah, if you have a lot of patience and you want to make something special, then I should say please make one yourself. The lock goes like that, and then the box opens, and here are all the contents inside. Here on the top piece is another kind of box, and it looks like that. And on the inside I have made a pocket, and here is a special card for the person who is gonna receive this. So all design papers covered, and here a metal piece so you can lift up this very easily. So that's that. And underneath, or I would say in that box, I put a present for her. She will open it tomorrow, and this is the inside of it. And here on the bottom there are two compartments, and here are two other small presents, and in it there are 3 match boxes, also handmade, and I put a little design paper on top, and in it I put some labels she can use in the journal that I also made. So there are 3 of them like that, and also on the inside there is design paper. It's also beautiful paper. I really loved her herbal box, but I also like this one as well, and it fits more to the person who is going to get this. And here is a mini album, and a journal, sorry. And here also I used the design paper to cover the box. So this is actually kind of the box, so she can use it for putting in special papers, pictures, or whatever she wants to use it for. This goes in here, so the measurements are so that it fits exactly, so that like that, and then it goes on top again. And I had one very a beautiful metal closure, and it goes like that. So that's the box. I will put it aside. And then here I have made a small journal for her so she can journal or write. I call it Amazing Mystical Diary. On the side, Wizard's Journal. And here I left it plain. It's the same paper as I used for the sides of the box. So let's have a look inside. I didn't do a lot of pockets and stuff, but I kept it very plain with coffee dyed paper and a beautiful paper from the kit that I chose for this project. So she can write here, she can put something behind and put pictures in it, or just color or draw something just as she likes. So here is a little booklet. Here she can write on writing paper. I did some tags, put some tags in it. Here is the beautiful Wizard's Diary paper, it's called. And here again, I left that so she can use it as she wants. So I put in 3 signatures. It's a pocket, and it has a lot of writing space. So yeah, she can journal. I will do it a little bit quick. I think all over it has about 120 pages, so it's really chunky. Here I put in, I will show you that, a lot of the beautiful tags that come along with the kit. It's really very, very beautiful, and a little bit different than I'm used, but I like it a lot myself, actually. So this goes on and on. Here another pocket, and I will be very curious how she is going to fill it and how she's going to use it. Here another few tags. This says the Sorceress, and this one I left like this. This is all for her own use. Oh, and this one I'm actually curious if she is going to discover it, because I put this page upside down. It's supposed to be like that. Little moment that I didn't pay a lot of attention, and then it goes wrong. But it kind of is, it kind of fits in this journal. It's magical and upside down. It's only 1 page, so it's not too bad. Here another pocket. It's beautiful paper. I will do another journal again, but then a bigger size. But I adjusted the size that it could fit in the box. Here she can put something behind. Here it's really beautiful paper, as you can see. Some post stamps. So, like this, and here the last tag, and this is the back. Underneath I put some muslin cloth, or how you call it, and yeah, that's the album, along with the box and the presents. And yeah, tomorrow we are going to celebrate her birthday, and I really hope she likes her presents. I really hope you liked the video, and if you want to have a go to make a box yourself, I will put the link down below so you can follow the tutorials. Have a great Sunday, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.